So today I'm going to show you how Plaid works and why it's actually efficient for you to utilize this to help connect your bank. So I'm actually utilizing another app right now, which brings up Plaid, as you can see right over here. So I want to take you step by step and show you the back end and how this works, and it can be really efficient for you. So you can see right over here that tells you that it connects effortlessly, so you don't have to wait those couple of days to plug in deposits, and it also does help protect your personal data. So what we're doing with this company right here, we're going to click on continue. And what it's going to do first is give you a couple different options for banks. So you might be able to scroll through and find your bank easily, or you can click on the search at the very top and type in your bank. Now, for our bank that we're going to use as an example today is Capital One. So once we clicked on Capital One, it takes us to this little screen right over here, just informing us the steps that are going to be taken while we go through this process. Pretty easy. So we're going to click on continue right over here. And here it's going to take us to a page that kind of looks familiar to our regular login for our account for whichever bank we're utilizing. So for Capital One, this is what it looks like. So you're actually going to be plugging in your username and password as if you were logging into that bank account. So I'm going to plug in my information and I'm going to click on sign in and show you what the next step looks like. Now, I know for a lot of people, it might feel a little weary for going through the process of actually plugging in your actual login information, but keep in mind that Plaid is a large company and they do protect your information. So you can see here at the top, it says to be transparent about how your data is shared. Capital One will share your data with our trusted partner Plaid. The company we're currently using to connect these is called Clio. It says will retrieve your data from Plaid. So the only people that have the information are these two parties. So what's going to happen now is we get to choose the account we want to utilize. Now, for our Capital One, we do have several accounts, as you can see here. So we have ones to choose from. So we can go ahead and choose based off of the last four numbers of the account number. So just go through and find the one that works that you need. So we're going to check box the one that works. And once we do that, it is going to plug in some extra options for us to be able to connect here. It says select additional information you'd like to share. Most of the time, this will be required. So we want to be going ahead and sharing the account holders' names and roles, as well as the account number and routing number, because those are going to be needed to be able to connect them properly. Now, once we go ahead and check off all those, we're going to scroll to the very bottom, and you're going to see right over here, you can either decline or authorize. So obviously we're going to click on authorize here. And then this is going to allow us to have that instant connection, so we don't have to sit there and wait for days for these accounts to be connected. And just like that, we have our Plaid service utilizing to be able to connect these two accounts together and utilize it instantaneously. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing when it comes to managing your money, so check out my next video right over here on screen. My name is Dennis, and I'm going to help you in that next video.